Our PINKARAT polygel kit comes with a builder gel available in 3 colors, a slip solution, a base coat, a top coat, dual form tips, a double-sided tool with a metal spatula on one end and a brush on the other, a double-sided buffer and filer, a UV gel lamp, and a USB cable for you to connect the lamp to a battery pack when using. You want to start off by buffing and shaping your nails. Next, choose a nail tip that matches the size of your nail. Once you've matched a tip to each of your nails, apply our base coat. Cure your nails under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Next, take your slip solution and pour some into the cap. This will allow for easy access later on. Apply a small amount of polygel to the cuticle side of the nail tip. Dip the brush into the slip solution and use the brush to smooth and spread out the polygel. Make sure the cuticle area and sidewalls are thin. Apply the nail tip onto your nail at a 45-degree angle. Dip your brush into the slip solution to clean off the excess polygel. Cure the top of your nail for 60 seconds and cure underneath for 60 seconds. Once you've cured both sides, gently remove the nail tip. Use the nail file to shape the polygel to your desired length and shape. Once you're done filing, apply our top coat. Lastly, cure your nails for 60 seconds and you're all done.